literally in my way out. I have an appointment to go to. I just wanted to stop in because lately, hold on, I gotta open up the garage. I'm feeling like shit, then the next day I'm feeling fine. So I'm trying to find, like, I want to get myself back onto my canvas. I have to fix one of the pedals because obviously, like, this is just what I've been doing. But anyways, I need to rest. But I'm trying to get my body together. I'm trying to take care of my health because it is very important. So I was waiting to get seen for, well, like an ultrasound type thing. And I went through a whole thing of me having to call my insurance, sit there, wait. But I mean, it got done and everything else came out great. So it was good. Everything's good. So I'm tired. The audacity. This piece, might as well let it go. Anyways, I'm tired. I don't think I'm gonna get to the painting tonight. I have another appointment to go to tomorrow in the morning. It's just one appointment, but we'll see how this rest of this week goes. If I decide to get to the painting. So anyways, that night I just need to get some milk together for my son. That's tea, chamomile tea, to help him sleep or put him to sleep, that I mix in with his milk. So that's pretty much like every night. Get his milk together, clean up his mess, organize things, all sorts of stuff. But anyways, this week was pretty busy. I had a lot of appointments to go to. I have one more physical therapy appointment this coming week. I think that's on Monday. And then I am going an hour and a half out of town on Wednesday. And I think that's all that I can think of this week. I just been trying to get everything prepared for Christmas. And yeah, this week was pretty busy, but we'll see how next week goes and if I start to feel better. All right, see ya.